you know. If you're ever in Frankfurt, one place you absolutely have to visit is Römerberg, the old town square. It's right in the heart of the city, and honestly, it feels like stepping into a different era. It's not just a bunch of old buildings. It's where Frankfurt's story really comes alive. The square is surrounded by these stunning, timber-frame buildings, and right in the center is a fountain of justice, with a statue of Lady Justice holding her scale and sword. And what's interesting is that she's not blindfolded, which is a bit unusual. This was actually Frankfurt's very first fountain, dating back to the 16th century. And back then, the square was considered the most beautiful in the entire Holy Roman Empire of the German nation. Imagine that. And there's so much history packed into this one place. Römerberg wasn't always called that. It used to be known as Samstagsberg, and it's been a hub of activity since the 9th century. Over the centuries, it's hosted markets, fairs, tournaments, festivals, even imperial elections and coronations. Sadly, it was also the site of executions, and there's a small plaque in the cobblestones near the fountain that marks the book burning by the Nazis in 1933, a chilling but important reminder of what took place here. Now, the name Römerberg actually comes from the Römer, the city hall, which has been here since the 15th century. The government has operated from this spot for over 600 years. That's some serious continuity. One of the things I really love about the square is the eastern row of houses. They look old, but they were actually rebuilt in 1986 based on original historical plans. And even their names have stories. There's the Great Angel, which was the site of Frankfurt's very first bank in the 1600s, then Golden Griffin, Wild Mun, Small Badger Hill, Great and Small Lauberberg, and finally the Black Star, which sits right next to the old Nikolai Church. If you keep walking toward the main river, you'll come across the Wertheim House, one of the few timber frame buildings in this area that actually survived the air raids of 1944. That part of the square, near the Farter, feels like a bridge between past and present. And if you look across from the historical museum, you'll see Saalgasse, a little street with postmodern buildings that totally contrast the traditional architecture of Römerberg. It's like walking through layers of time, all in one place. Getting there is super easy too. From Frankfurt Airport, it's just about 14 kilometers, maybe 20 to 25 minutes by car or a short S-Bahn ride. And if you're already in the city, Römerberg is right downtown, in the Altstadt, so you can just walk over. So whether you're into history, architecture, photography, or just want to sit at a cafe and watch life go by, Römerberg is a must. It's not just a tourist spot. It's the heart of the city, full of stories, full of life.